welcome to this very stormy morning. I love waking up to thunderstorms. It's so cozy, you know? That feeling, I love it. And my hair is a bit in a mess, so I might need to wear a hat for today. And just enjoy the music. I think I'll probably wear a hat for today. Okay, assuming that you already read the title of the video, today I'll be showing you what I'll be doing, what I'm doing every single day, what I eat every single day, and because I like to cook, so what I like to cook as well. But first, the morning, you always start off with a glass of water. Cup out just now. Water. Okay, so it's currently 11 AM and I'm going to heat up some food. I'll cook the pancakes in a minute, but we have some silverfish fried rice which I'll heat up. That'll be part of breakfast too. Another thing is, you don't need to add any more oil to heat this up. It's better to just fry it again instead of putting it into the microwave. The fried rice is already oily, so you don't have to add any more oil to it. And just heat this up until it's hot, and then it's ready to eat. And about 5 minutes later, this should be ready. Okay, so this is like a little snack before I make the pancakes. These are the ingredients you will need: sugar, salt, milk, vinegar, butter, eggs, baking soda, and some all-purpose flour. Let's get started. So the first thing you actually need is 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and you're supposed to whisk it. And this will go into the fridge, so it'll be cool. So this will go into the fridge for about 5 minutes, not too long. And now you'll work on the rest of the ingredients. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of flour. It's optional to put it in a sieve, but I like to do it so it will make the batter smoother. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. If you do not have baking soda, baking powder will work just fine. Now you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You do not need to sieve this. Now you add salt to the mixture. However, I use salted butter, so I did not need to add salt. If you do not have salted butter, add half a teaspoon of salt. And now you mix all the dry ingredients together. Take out the milk and vinegar mixture and crack in a raw egg. Now whisk the egg into the milk and vinegar mixture. Now to make the banana puree, you need to take a black banana and then put it into a bowl and mash it with a spoon. I did not mention this ingredient earlier because I forgot, sorry about that. And yes, take a spoon and just mash it up. Now we need to melt some butter. Take 1 tablespoon of butter and just melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now add the melted butter into the egg, milk and vinegar mixture and mix. Now simply add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix. Mix until the batter is smooth. Forgot to add that just now. Now, take out some of the batter and put it into an empty bowl if you want to make vanilla pancakes and banana pancakes. You separate the batter because it cannot mix up, obviously. Add your mashed banana into the mixture and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time to fry the pancakes. So add a little bit of butter to the pan, mix it around, and then add about half a cup of pancake batter in there. And then once you see a lot of bubbles, check underneath and flip. And now just repeat the process until you run out of batter. So the pancakes are ready. I know it's a bit slanted and I am backlit, but hope you guys will understand. Let's try them. Fluffy, very nice. Alright guys, now currently it's mid-afternoon. The clip you saw just now was about 2 hours ago. And now I want to show you a game which Afik and I really like to play. It's very fun, we really like it. A lot of people say it's outdated, but we don't give a shit. And I guess I'll show it to you now. Good evening everyone, I took a shower and now we're gonna start on the cooking. I'm gonna be making oh jeez, what the hell? I'm gonna be making beef burgers tonight, and it should be pretty good. I'll teach you how to make those right now. These are the ingredients you will need: ground beef, burger buns, sliced cheese, French onion soup powder, crushed red peppers, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and that's pretty much it. Now take your ground beef, open the package, and put it into a bowl. And 2 other ingredients that I forgot, breadcrumbs and an egg. I don't know why I took 2 eggs, but now crack 1 egg into the beef bowl. Add salt and pepper and season generously with garlic powder. Look at that. Ooh. And generously with some chili flakes, crushed red peppers. And this is the secret, French onion soup seasoning. It's absolutely delicious, like the powder. Just add it in, and that's where all the good stuff is. Okay, now there's the breadcrumbs, which just makes the burger, it ensures that the burger isn't so wet. And then just mix around with your hands, or you can use a spoon, anything. Alright, now to make the burger patty shape, take a cookie cutter or some sort of egg shaper. This is an egg shaper to make like McDonald's style eggs, very circle-ish. Yeah. Okay, so just add the minced beef that we mixed up just now. Why is it that I can't talk? Just mix it up and then just flatten it with the spoon, and just do that until you run out of filling. Alright, so what you want to do now is to chop the onions, and of course I forgot to say onions just now because I'm very forgetful. So first thing you do, take off the skin, chop the onion in half. It doesn't matter if it's a red or white onion as long as it's an onion, alright? And then just chop it in half, remove the skin, and slice it. And once you slice them, just break them up, and then they'll kind of look like that. Okay, now it's time to make the sauces. So we have some pesto and some mayonnaise, and this will be a very nice sauce for the burgers. It really complements the burger well. Oh yeah, and one more thing, mix the pesto and the mayonnaise until the pesto becomes pale and more of a whitish color, which is also known as pale. And now you want some ketchup, and just put it into a little bowl. And you also want some mustard, but you do not want mustard which is actually run out. And instead of using regular mustard, I'm just using some whole grain mustard, which is still equally as delicious. Honestly, I like it more than regular mustard. And just add some mayonnaise and you mix again. Okay, now what you want to do is to butter your buns. So you just take a knob of butter, just put on the bun like that. Don't worry about spreading it. I tried to, I couldn't. But I forgot to just spread in the pan once you heat it up. So just repeat the process for all the buns. And to toast the buns, you want to put the butter side of the bun down and just wait for it to cook and wait for it to brown a bit, and then you can flip them over. Oh yeah, one more thing. Do not overcook the buns or else they will turn bitter, and that's not very nice. And now the pièce de résistance, the burgers. So just season the outside of the burgers with salt and pepper again, so that even the outside has some seasoning. Now Gordon Ramsay here, hot pan, olive oil, just a touch. Alright, now you want to add the burgers into the pan and just cook them for about 5 minutes each side, or if you can't count, just wait for the brownness of the burger to go halfway across. Oh yeah, and also you want to cook your burger on medium heat. Don't let the heat be too high or too low. Oh wow, look at that. Why did someone just send me a message? And for a little extra seasoning, you can just season with some pepper. You don't need to, but I like my burgers seasoned. And now what you want to do is just tilt the pan to the side so the sides of the burgers will be cooked, and try to get it near the fire so there's a nice char as well, because you don't want your burger to be raw. Now for the final part, just add a slice of cheese onto the burger and cover it with the lid. And by the time the cheese melts, by the time the cheese is melted, the burger should be done cooking. Now just repeat the process for the other patties and just put it on your buns and you're pretty much good to go. Now for the fried onions, you just throw the onions into the burger grease and oil and just saute them just for a few minutes, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I just finished cooking the burgers. They look pretty, wait, I need to show you the cheese. They look pretty damn good. I'm gonna chop these in half. We're gonna cut these in half. See the cook. And there. Gonna munch this down. Really good. Bye-bye. So I added some chili, like chili flakes as you saw. And I love spicy food, so this makes it delicious. Alright, so I've come to my last few bites of this burger. It's so good. You guys should really try the recipe. Just try it. Trust me, just try it. I've been just spending the entire day editing. So I'm pretty tired. It's about, I think, 8 PM now. It's time for me to stop and upload this on YouTube. Alright, so tell me if you want more vlogs. Just leave a like and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!